Hi there, Michael here from Anywhere 365, and today I want to introduce to you our Dialogcloud Infinity. I'll be starting with a high-level design where I'll be showing you which components are being used. Then I'll do a live demonstration of our software, and then we'll do a couple of deep dive sessions for more information. So in the high-level design we have 4 domains: the PSTN, World Wide Web, the customer tenant, and the Anywhere 365 Dialogcloud Infinity. So in this scenario, the customer wants to call the Azure Communication Services powered contact center, and that can be done using their mobile phone, either using a Microsoft acquired ACS number, or you can use your own phone number using a session border controller connected to the ACS using direct routing. Alternative, you could also use a web client to call the ACS resource directly. The ACS call automation is used to answer the incoming calls, play an audio prompt, and collect the audio streams. Anywhere 365 will determine the right queue for the caller. This is based on the configuration that is done in the Anywhere 365 admin portal, where you can configure contact centers and agents. And based on the agent's availability, an agent will be selected. Potentially the ACS job router can be used, though it's not being used by Anywhere 365 today. The ACS call automation is used to invite an agent on his Microsoft Teams identity using the ACS Teams interrupt. By using the ACS calling SDK, it's also possible to ring the call in both the Microsoft Teams client as well as our custom-built Anywhere 365 web agent client. Once the agent accepts via Microsoft Teams or via the Anywhere 365 web agent, ACS call automation is used to obtain the audio streams of all participants. The audio streams are transcribed to text using Azure Cognitive Services and are displayed in real time in the Anywhere 365 web agent. So once the conversation ends, either when the customer or the agent disconnects, OpenAI is used to summarize the conversation, and also this information will be shown in the Anywhere 365 web agent. So let's see how that works in action. So for the first demonstration, I will be using my mobile phone to call in as a customer, and I'll be using the Anywhere 365 web agent where I'm logged in with one of my users to perform as the agent. During the demonstration, I'll be muting the microphones of the client individually, so I can simulate a conversation between a customer and an agent, and then I'll show the live transcription going on. So the first thing is I'll be calling the phone number and I'll be muting the microphone. Anywhere 365 will select the best available agent, which will be me because I'm the only agent who is online right now. The call is offered to me in my web agent. I'm gonna accept. And now we have a call between the customer on the phone and the agent, and I'll be unmuting the microphone of the agent to show you the transcription. Hello there, how can I help you today? As you can see, the transcription appears live on the screen, and I will now unmute the customer to have a conversation. I'm having some issues with my modem. Can you help me, please? Sure, what seems to be the problem? Red light is blinking on and off every time. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Oh yes, that seems to fix it. Thank you. See you next time. And then the customer disconnects, and now the transcription will be sent over to OpenAI, where it will generate a summary. And as you can see, there's a summary at the bottom, which you can then use to follow up great cases or to wrap up this conversation. So that's it for demonstration 1. Okay, so for the second demonstration, we want to show you an alternative way how to can use ACS together with Anywhere 365 in Dialogcloud Infinity. So on the left, we have the customer that's already signed into a portal, so we know the person that signed in, and we have a button that enables us to perform a call to the ACS powered contact center. On the right, I'm currently signed into the Salesforce environment together with the Anywhere 365 web agent, and the web agent can communicate with Salesforce, create an activity, search for a contact, and create a case. So the customer wants to call with the contact center, and they click the call button. As you can see, a call will be initiated. It will be again offered to the user, in this case to me, because I'm the available agent. And because this conversation already has the URI, it's the identifier of the customer, we can automatically populate Salesforce with the right information. If it was an anonymous session, you could use the Salesforce environment to search for a contact and then link this session. And because this is a linked session, we can then automatically create activities. So we know that there was a phone call between this customer and this agent, so your CRM system is always up to date. Or from here, you can also do a single click, create a case, and it will automatically populate the Salesforce environment where the customer and the contact are automatically linked. And as you can see, there are multiple ways to use the Anywhere 365 DialogCloud Infinity, either via phone, using transcriptions, or you could use a web client together with Salesforce and other CRM systems.